Hello everyone. So today once again I am here with you with the setup analysis on Nifty 50. So let's move to Nifty 50 chart. Today Nifty 50 opened gap down, and as per our setup what we have to do is we have to wait till 9:30 and then we have to enter in the trade as per our setup. So you can see here after 9:30 our setup is indicating to go sell side. Here once you would have sold, then we got one exit signal here, so we have to exit here, and again in the next candle we got the entry signal towards sell side. So from here you can see that we have got a very decent move till here, and now here our average turn red. So what we have to do, we have to exit our trade. Then you see average line is green and our trend is red, and strength is also indicating weakness, so we will not enter here in long side. Again we got a small indication here, and we will enter here also because our rule is to take all the trades as per our system. So here we will enter, and very soon within no profit no loss or a marginal profit loss we will exit. Then again you can see here average is giving green signal, strength is also green, but trend is saying that no, we have to wait and see. Here what happened, average and strength both turn back again. So what happened here, here we have just avoided this trade with the help of our trend. Now again here we will enter towards sell side, and we will get a small profit here and then exit here. Now then from here you can see that all three parameters are giving a signal to go towards long side. So we will take trade here, and you can see we will get some profit here also. Again our average turn red, but for some time our trend and strength is saying to wait. So we'll enter in the next candle when all three parameters are giving us the same direction and indication. So here also you can see that we are getting good profit, and then we will get exit signal here. Now again we will enter somewhere around in here in buy side, and you can see that this trade also gave a good result. So from this analysis what I want to make to you people is that as per our setup we have to take all the trades only based on the indications given by our three indicators, and possibly few trades will not work, but the trades that will work here will give us a decent return, and ultimately we all end up with some or good profits at the end of the day. Okay, hope that this analysis will also help you to understand this setup well, and you can execute your trade properly in future with the help of this setup and analysis. Thank you very much.